Taking a moisturizer and putting it all over my face. And now taking my primer and putting that all over. Taking the shade 110 from Maybelline, I'm taking this brush from Daiso that I got for $4, and I'm just going to spread this all over. This foundation is the 110 from the Fit Me Maybelline collection, the matte and poreless. They don't have my shade, so I'm going to take two different shades that you'll see in the next clip. It is 220 and 110. I'm going to mix both of these, and I'm going to use my Y6 brush from Morphe, and I'm going to spread that all over my face and just blend it all over. Taking my Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm going to conceal my under eyes, and I'm going to take my damp Morphe Beauty Blender and I'm going to bounce away. Putting a little bit more concealer under my eyes, and I'm going to focus on my T-zone now and around my nose, and I'm just going to blend all of this. I'm going to set my under eyes by using this Ben Nye translucent powder, and I'm using my beauty blender to set this. I'm going to set my T-zone too, so I'm going to put powder all over that area. I'm so annoyed by my little baby hair, so I'm going to use the setting spray and just tame it down. Now take your favorite powder and put it all over the areas you didn't put powder on yet. I'm gonna dust off the T-zone, so you'll see me powdering those areas. My lips were feeling super chapped, so I'm using this Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Cherry Frost, and I'm going to put that on my lips. Taking my 35B, I'm going to take this cream color and I'm going to put it all over my eyelid. Taking a white eyeshadow and putting it beneath my eyebrows. I'm actually going to spread this white eyeshadow all over my lid, and I'm going to take my finger and tap it on my eyelids too. Taking this lavender color, I'm going to put it on my crease, and I'm going to blend it very lightly upwards and over my lid. Taking this purple shade, I'm going to put that on my crease and blend it slightly upwards, but more focusing on the crease. I heard the short hair score, so I had to put down my hair. I'm going to take this royal blue and I'm going to put that above my crease. and blend it. I'm taking this blue and I'm going to put it above my crease and I'm going to blend it. The other blue wasn't showing that much, so I wanted something to pop. So this is working really well. Taking the white eyeshadow and I'm going to tap that above my eyelid. Taking this fluffy brush, I'm going to dust off the powder that was under my eyes. It's time for the eyebrows. I'm using my KaBrow in number 6. I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to comb through my eyebrows, and that will like smudge the product a little bit to make it a little bit more powdery and smoother. So I'm going to do that for both sides. Taking the KaBrow brush and I'm going to go over my eyebrows with more detailing. Taking the Maybelline Brow Jama and I'm going to put that over my eyebrows. This just helps to tame down my eyebrow hair, and I love applying this every time I'm done with my eyebrows. Let's get on to liquid eyeliner. I'm using Starstruck and I'm just going to wing my eyeliner. Taking a black eyeshadow, I'm going to start from my wing and bring it down to my lash line halfway. I'm going to take this miniature palette from Sephora. I'm taking the color Candy and I'm going to put it right in the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to spray my brush with some coconut setting spray and I'm going to go back to that eyeshadow and applying it on the inner corners of my eye. Taking Almond from the same palette, I'm going to contour my nose with this using my fingers, and I'm just going to run it down the sides of my nose. I want to use this light brown from the Jaclyn Hill palette instead, so I'm going to take a beauty blender and I'm going to go over it with powder and then apply that light brown on the sides of my nose. I'm going to take this contour palette and I'm going to take the middle color and use my fluffy contour brush. I'm going to lightly blend that on the contours of my cheeks. I'm also going to add that on my forehead too and on my hairline. Now with the darker contour, I'm going to just tap once and I'm going to lightly contour that into my cheeks. I don't have any blushes that are purely pink, so I'm going to take these 3 shades from my Morphe 35B and I'm going to use that as my blush. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight, so I'm taking my Urban Decay Afterglow Sin highlighter and I'm going to put that on the areas where I usually highlight my face. Now I'm taking my All Set Coconut Makeup Setting Spray. This is from Perfectly Posh. I ordered this from my friend. I will put down everything on the description box later on. Yay! Now we can get ready! I made my whole costume and I even made a Mulan comb, and I went to Michael's and bought some beads and made this jade necklace. For those of you who don't know, I also cosplay and you could see that on my Instagram. You could follow me at Disney Cutie Pie, but my favorite character ever is Mulan and her movie is my favorite movie ever. And my dream when I was a little girl was to grow up to dress up as Mulan, and I finally made it come true with the help of working for Disney and the money I earned. At the time, I was able to buy fabrics and I was able to make my very own costume. Now I'm gonna tame my little hair on my forehead the way Mulan does. I hope you guys love this video. I will write down all the makeup and the brushes that I use for this video on the description box. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!